Hello viewers, welcome to our channel ICCC. We are a Bangalore-based registered company. My name is James and I am educational counselor. So today in this video, let us discuss about St. John's Medical College along with the medical need, PG courses, cutoff and the fee structure of the college. But before going to the topic, if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. St. John's Academy is one of the oldest hospital in South India, which is established in the year 1963 and located in Koramangala, Bengaluru, with OPD around 4,000 to 5,000 per day in total of all the departments. As the college is run by Catholic bishops, the priority is given more towards the Roman Catholic students comparatively with the general category students, and even the number of seats are also provided less for the other category students, wherein 90% of the seats are given to Catholic students only. Let's have a aerial view of the college. Let us know what is GMP and GMO. GMP, General Merit Private. A candidate who have studied for a minimum period of 10 academic year commencing from 1st standard to 12th standard and must have appeared and passed either SSLC or 2nd PUC, equivalent examination from Karnataka state and passed MBBS or BDS from state of Karnataka or outside the state of Karnataka. GMO, General Merit Open. It is an open category where the students of any state from India can apply through GMO. Let's see the fee structure of St. John's Medical College. So in St. John's Medical College, as everyone knows, the seats are 90% given to RC students, wherein 10% is given for the GMO open to all category students. So the fee structure for the private quota is for, if you see, for preclinical subjects like anatomy, physiology and biochemistry, the fee structure is 2 lakh 1920, wherein the para clinical subjects like pharmacology, that will cost you around 4,51,920, wherein for pathology that will cost you around 6,53,570. And if you see for clinical subjects like dermatology, the fee structure will cost you around 10,23,920 per annum. And if you see for radio diagnosis, that's the same fee structure, that is 10,23,920. And for general medicine, they have a fee structure of 8,73,920. And for ophthalmology, it is 8,73,920, wherein certain courses like orthopedics and OBG, radio diagnosis, dermatology, those courses all have 10,23,920, wherein other clinical subjects like general medicine, pediatrics, emergency medicine, general surgery, those all cost you around 8,73,920. So this is the fee structure for St. John's Medical College for private quota seat. They doesn't have any others or NRI category or any other fees like that, particularly in St. John's Medical College. So this is the first round cutoff of St. John's Medical College. As you know, the priority is mostly given for RC students, wherein for, if you have a look, if for okay, let's take community medicine. So they have given 6 seats totally, wherein 2 seats for the open category students. For RC students, they are given 2 seats, and for RC3 they have given 2 seats. So if you see the cutoff ranks for open category, it is 21,673, where they have not allotted in the first round of RC2. If you see for the RC3, the cutoff rank is 45,542. If you see for pathology, they have given 8 seats totally for this course in St. John's Medical College, wherein 3 seats is given for open category, that is non-kinetic students, GMO. If you see for RC2, they have given 2 seats, and they have given 3 seats to RC3 students. And if we have a look for pediatrics, they have provided 7 seats, wherein 2 seats is given to RC1 students, 3 seats for RC2 students, and the rest 2 seats is given for the RC3 students, wherein the first one cutoff for RC1 is 79,546, and for RC2 it is 14,205, and for RC3 it is 5,605. If you see for general medicine, they have provided 9 seats totally, wherein 2 seats are given to RC1 students, 5 seats for the RC2 students, and rest 2 seats is given for the RC3 students. Wherein if we have the cutoff for the RC1, it is 34,362, and if you see for RC2, it is 51,572, and for RC3 the cutoff rank is 3,472. So if you see for dermatology, uh, St. John's Medical College has provided 3 seats. These are the recognized seat which I'm telling you about now. That is in the total three, 2 seats are provided to RC2 students according to the seat matrix, and 1 seat is provided to the RC3 students. So the dermatology cutoff rank for RC2 is 40,706, where for RC students it is a very good chance of getting a seat, that too in St. John's Medical College. So if your rank is up to 40,000, you are having a very good chance of getting seats in St. John's Medical College, for that too dermatology course. For RC3 the cutoff rank is 1939. So if you see for radio diagnosis, uh, they have provided 5 seats, wherein RC2 they have given 4 seats for RC2 and 1 seat for RC3, wherein the cutoff rank for RC2 is 35,786, wherein if you see for RC3 it is 1,333. Like that for if you see for ophthalmology, they have given 3 seats, where one to the GMO category, one for the RC2 students, and one for the RC3 category. Wherein if you see for the cutoff, the GMO cutoff is 7,317 for ophthalmology, wherein the RC2 cutoff has not been reported, and if you see for RC3 it is at 9,573. If you see for orthopedic, they have provided 4 seats, wherein 3 seats is given to RC2 students and one for the RC3 students. If you see the cutoff for the RC2, it is 79,762, and for RC3 it is 4,517. So this is the first one cutoff. I'm just giving you a brief about the main courses, and these are the permitted seats, wherein the before slide was the recognized seat. Like if you take for general medicine, the St. John's Medical College are again provided 6 seats for the permitted seats, wherein 3 seats are given to GMO category, and the rest 3 is given for RC students. If you see the cutoff for general medicine, uh, the uh, the rank for the first round cutoff was 1,764, wherein for RC3 students it is 5,783. If you take for dermatology, it is they have given two seats. It is in the before slide of it, and they have given 2 seats. For one is for GMO, and another 1 seat is for RC3 students. And if you see for radio diagnosis, they have provided 5 seats totally for the permitted seat. That is 2 seats are provided to allotted to GMO, and the rest 3 is given for RC3 people, wherein the cutoff rank is 1375 for GMO students and 5140 for RC3 students. And if you see for orthopedic, they have again provided two seats. One is for GMO and the other for RC3. And the orthopedic, the first one, it is the cutoff rank was 4541, wherein for RC3 it is 6602. And this is the second round cutoff of St. John's Medical College, and these are the permitted seats. So you can have a look for like example, general medicine. The open category cutoff reaches up to 2338, and for RC3 it is 5935, and for if you see for radio diagnosis, the open category cutoff reaches up to 1395, and for RC3 it is 5140. And this is the second round cutoff of the recognized seat, wherein for dermatology the seats for RC2 the cutoff rank reaches up to 40,706, and for RC3 it is 1939, wherein RC2 has a very good chance of getting a good seat in a good college. So for general medicine, the RC1, the rank cutoff rank reaches up to 34,362, wherein for the RC2 it is 51,572, and for the RC3 it is 3,472, wherein for a radio diagnosis, the cutoff for RC2 is 35,786, and for RC3 it is 1333. Even this is a very good chance if RC2 students score a rank above 35,000 or 36,000, it is a very good chance of them getting a seat in this college. And for orthopedic, the RC3 cutoff is 24,292, and if you see for general surgery, the open category cutoff is 5,549, wherein for RC2 it is 79,762, and for RC3 it is 18,370. And for OBG, the cutoff goes up to 6,979 for the GMO open category, and for RC1 it is 64,273, and for RC2 again it is a very good chance, that is 77,066, and for RC3 it is 12,045 rank. And this is the Mapapron cutoff, where this cutoff is for permitted seat, where they have been mentioned as P. So if you see for radio diagnosis, the cutoff for GMO is 1395, wherein for RC3 it is 5140, and for orthopedic it is 4541 for GMO, and for RC3 it is 25,403. Now we are looking for the recognized Mapapron cutoff. So in this, if you see for dermatology, the RC2 cutoff goes up to 40,706, and for RC3 it is 1,939, which is the same as the second round has. And for radio diagnosis, the RC2 cutoff is 35,786, same as it is, and the RC3 as 1,333. And if you see for OBG, the cutoff again for GMO it is 6,979, and for RC1 it is 64,273, and for RC2 it is again the same 77,066, and if you see for RC3 it is 12,045. In this statistical cutoff of the last year, in St. John's Medical College for MD DBD, that is dermatology, they were provided three seats. two seats are allotted for RC students and one is allotted for the RC3 students, wherein the cutoff for the first round, second round, and the mop-up round has reached up to 40,706. Wherein if you see for RC3, the rank for first round, second round, and the mop-up round, the cutoff has gone up to 1939. And if you see for general medicine, they have provided 9 seats, wherein 2 seats are allotted for RC1 students, 5 seats for the RC2 students, and 2 seats for the RC3 students. Where the first round, second round, and the third round for RC1, the cutoff was 34,362 rank. For RC2, it is 51,572 rank for all the preceding rounds. If you see for RC3, it is also the same, that is first round, second round, and the mop-up round. The cutoff remains same, that is 3,472. Wherein for pediatrics, they have provided 7 seats, wherein 2 seats are allotted for RC1, 3 seats for the RC2 people, and 2 seats for the RC3 people. If you see the first round of RC1 students, the cutoff is 79,546, wherein the second round and the mop-up round remains the same. If you see for RC2, the cutoff is 17,205, where they have been allotted the seat and reported. So the seats are not given in the second round and the mop-up round. If you see for RC3, the cutoff rank is for the first round it is 1939, wherein the second round and the third round has a little jump, that is 7559th rank. If you see for OBG, there are 8 seats provided. In that 8 seats, 2 seats are allotted for GMO category, and another 2 is reported for the RC1 student, and another 2 is reported for the RC2 students, and another 2. Totally 8 seats are provided for the OBG in St. John's Medical College, wherein the general merit open students, the cutoff is 3,895 for the first round. If you see for the second round, it is 6,979, wherein the mop-up also remains the same, that is 6,979. If you see for RC1, the cutoff is 64,273, wherein the second round and the mop-up round remains the same. So that you should score 64,000 rank to obtain the seat for RC1 students. If you see for RC2, the cutoff for first round, second round, and the mop-up round, it is the same, that is 77,066 rank. If you see for RC3, the cutoff for the first round was 9,279, wherein the second round has a little jump, that is 12,045 rank, and the mop-up remains the same. If you see for radio diagnosis, there are 5 seats provided, which is 4 seats are allotted for the RC2 students and 1 seat is allotted for the RC3 students. You see the first round, second round, and the third round, the cutoffs are the same, that is 35 rank 786. So you should score at least 35,500 to obtain seat in radio diagnosis at St. John's Medical College. So if you are a RC2 student, if you are RC3, your cutoff will be for the first round is 1333, and for the preceding 2 rounds it is the same. If you see for general surgery, there are 4 seats allotted. In that 4 seat, 1 is provided to GMO, 2 for the RC2 students, and 1 seat is provided for the RC3 students, wherein the GMO cutoff is 4009, and the second round and the third round goes the cutoff reaches up to 5,549. If you see for RC3, it is the cutoff is 56,343, and if you see for the second round, it is 79,762, wherein the mop-up remains the same. And for the RC3, the cutoff is 12,045, and for the second one it is 18,370, wherein for the mop-up remains the same, that is 18,370. For ophthalmology, there are 2 seats provided in this course, wherein 1 seat is for GMO, and another 1 seat is allotted for the RC3 students. For the first round is 7,317 rank for GMO students, and if you see for the second round, the GMO cutoff goes up to 9,570, 9,537, where the mop-up remains the same. If you see for RC3, it is 9,537, wherein the second round has a big jump, that is 16,266, and the mop-up remains the same. For MS orthopedic, the college provides four seats, wherein three seats are allotted to RC2 students and one seat is allotted for the RC3 students. For the RC2, the first round cutoff is 79,762, where they are being allotted and reported in the first round. And for RC3, it is 4,517, where the second round has a big jump, that is 24,292, and the mop-up remains the same. So as an educational counselor, my conclusion regarding these three rounds in St. John's Medical College about dermatology course, if you see, for RC students, they have a very good opportunity if they score or rank is up to 40,000 rank. And for RC3 students, if their rank is up to 1900 rank, they are having chances of getting seats for dermatology course in St. John's Medical College. Wherein if you see for general medicine, the RC1 cutoff is up to 34,362 rank. For them, it is also a good chance of getting a seat if their rank is up to 34,000. And for RC2, it was up to 51,572. If their rank is up to 50,000 or 51,000, they are having a great opportunity of getting seats for general medicine course in St. John's Medical College. However, for RC3, the cutoff was up to 3,472. And for pediatrics, the RC1 cutoff was up to 79,546, wherein it is a very good opportunity of them if the scores are like 70,000 or 72,000, 78,000. So for RC2, it is 14,205, the cutoff was up to, and for RC3 it was 7,559. So even they have a chance of getting, if the score is up to 8,000 or 7,500. For radio diagnosis, for RC3 students, they are having a very good chance. If the score is up to 30,000 rank or 34,000 rank, they should at least get a 35,000 rank to get a seat, wherein the last year cutoff was up to 35,786. Why? Because due to COVID, the it was up in through online, so the rank always reaches like that. So this year there'll be a very good challenges for the PG students again. And if you see for RC, it is 1333 rank. And for general surgery, the GMO cutoff was up to 5,549, where the open category students have to score at least minimum of 5,500 to get to obtain a seat in St. John's Medical College for the course of general surgery. Wherein if you see for RC2, they're having a very good opportunity again. The rank was up to 79,762, wherein the students have to at least get a score like 79,000 or 79,500 like that. And if you see for RC3 people, I mean the category students, it was up to 18,370. And for ophthalmology, the GMO cutoff was up to 9,573 for the outsiders. And for RC3, it was 16,266. And for orthopedics, it was for RC3, it was 79,762. Again, it was a good chance for RC2 category students. And if you see for RC3, the cutoff was up to 24,292. So for RC2 students, they have a very good opportunity of getting seat in St. John's Medical College if their score is above above 70,000 or 50,000, they're having a very good opportunity to get a seat. And this is my statistic analysis regarding this cutoff. So these are the services which is been provided from us, that is ICCC. Those are application notification updates, SMS alert for all states, state-wise application filling guidance from Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. NRI general fees updates, SMS alert, cutoff mark alert, guidance for NRI documents for MCC, state counseling, direct need PG admission for all clinical and paraclinical subject, and our package for this service charge is only 25,000 rupees. Thank you for watching this video. For more details, contact to 888 You can also WhatsApp to 740 and you can also reach us through email ID, that is abjy.i3c@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please do share, comment and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.